So here we are with the Juki DDL-8700, and we're going to sew with both a non-stick and a regular foot on some stretchy material so that we can see what the difference is going to be. So we're going to start out with the regular foot. Again, this is some pretty elastic material. One of the first things you're going to see is there's puckering in the material, and then if you'll look closely, you'll see that the top ply of the material has been pulled, stretched, and is no longer even with the bottom ply. We're going to change out this foot for the non-stick or the Teflon foot and go ahead and sew the same type of material, 2 ply, same thread, tension, everything. And you can already see that there's more of an even stitch being created. So here you go, what was created with the regular foot. The top ply has been pulled, there's been stretching, puckering, ruffling, and there's really nothing to do about that. And then this nice smooth stitch that's been created without any puckering or stretching using the non-stick foot.